Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to share these products with you today. Are you ready? Get set. The first one is an A2 scallop, but we call it, A2 single scallop card die set. What do I mean? Well, here is the card die itself, right? Look at that, fun. It has that cute little eyelet option piece, but the back is solid. The back is just straight, so it's only a single scallop, which is really fun. And it's also coming with an amazing amount of flowers. Amazing amount of flowers. Lots and lots of options on that one, which is really fun. So that's one item that we have. Oh, and this actually was a little sneak peek because that hello die is coming into, next actually. So here, a lot of you already have the Let's Stay in Touch stamp set. And if you don't, now's your chance to get it. But we've had so many requests for dies for the words hello my friend. So guess what? Hello my friend, we came out with the dies that match. So now you can die cut those as well, which is really fun, and I have lots of samples. The next one is the most requested peep we've had in a long time. It is the elephant little peep. And it's kind of funny to say elephant and little at the same time, but look at how adorable he is. I absolutely love him. Don't forget, I'll always stand by you. Thanks a lot. You are awesome. You are elephantistic. I'm here for you. Cute little shorts, cute little outfit, and of course, yes, there are dies that match. Now, all of the clothing, don't forget, on the little peeps will fit all the other little peeps, so they all mix and match, which is really fun. And as an added bonus for a limited time, we have some of the, and again, it's very limited, we have some of the Crafter's Companion denim, and guess what? You can die cut it. I die cut this using my little mini machine. That's how easy it is to die cut. So I was die cutting cute little jeans out of these for the little peeps. So very limited. Once it's gone forever. So get it now, just a heads up. Now, let me share all my fun samples with you because I have tons. Now on this card itself, you're going to see all of those fun flowers. Here we have that cute little hello, which is fun. Here's another one. Look at those flowers. Those flowers are really awesome. Now, there is a very, very small chance you have this card die with different things on the inside. You didn't get these flowers. So if you have the card die, the flowers would have been the same price with or without the card die. So if you like the flowers, it's still worth it for you to get it because look at how gorgeous that is. And it comes with this fun little eyelet, which is fun. Beautiful flowers. They're all kind of interchangeable, but look, they also make snowflakes. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love them. Oh, there's our fun hello. I love it. Cute. Oh, there's some more flowers. Lots of different options with these flowers. Look at that. Two totally different looks with that. Isn't that fun? I love that. That's the fun thing is they're all interchangeable and you're going to be able to mix and match and have fun with them. Here's a cute another one. Hugs. Just by changing the color. That looks like sunflowers. Now let's look at some elephants. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at how cute that little girl is, all dressed up and ready to go. Here's another one. Look at that on a mini slimline. Here's one, don't forget, with our cute little tree and some grass. Here's a cute one. You're elephantistic. Let's celebrate. Oh, let's eat cake. Let's eat cake. Love it. Oh, getting taken away with balloons. I love it. And look at all the cute little outfits that he's wearing. And don't forget, you can mix and match. Oh, here it is with the little sheep. I'll always stand by you. I'm so thankful to have you as my friend. Love it. Here's a cute one, and this is a big sneak peek. Are you ready for this big sneak peek? Coming soon. But look at this, and we're going to open it up. I'm going to be a little gentle, but look at that. A2 in size. So adorable. Stands. It's so cute. Coming soon. But in the meantime, you have those cute little elephants with the cute little... You gotta love the little floaties. I love it. Okay, here's another cute one with our 5x7 pool folded. Everybody's in the pool, ready to go, sand nearby. Happy birthday. Love it with that fun umbrella. Here's a little guy ready to play football. Anybody want to join him? Love it. Now let's look at the hello, my friend. So there's the hello, my friend. Or you could just use hello. Look how gorgeous that is. Whoops, let's get that bow out of the way so you can see it. Cut it out of foil. Here it is stamped and just using the shadow die if you want to. Hello, my friend, more little peeps. Those little peeps just pop up everywhere, don't they? Here's a cute one. Hello, my friend. They're perfect for the mini slim lines, right? Or an A1 size card. Here's an A1 size card. Hello, my friend. Now this is just the stamp set, not using the dies, just the stamp set. Here it is just using the dies. Hello, my friend. Here it is with only the stamp set. Hello, my friend. Here it is on a cute little A1 center step up. Hello. Turn it over, my friend. I love it. And last but certainly not least is our cute little sewing machine. My friend, you are so much fun. Now, club members, yes, you get the club discount on all these products, and you're definitely going to want to check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Our online gallery has all of these ideas and even more. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.